everybody. Today I am going to show you a different method of compost making from kitchen waste. So we can call it as a direct method, and it is more easy method. I have already shared with you a easy method of compost making from kitchen waste in one of my videos. If you are new to my channel, you can go and check to that link of compost making from kitchen waste. Now I am going to teach you how to make compost directly, both in the ground and also in the pot. So if you see, this is the area where I planted my plants last year. So this is spring, so I am now going to plant new plants here. So the nutrients in this soil would have been used by my plants last year. So in order to enrich the soil, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig some pits in this area and put my kitchen waste in the pits and going to close it. So what will happen is the microbes in the soil and the earthworms in the soil will decompose the kitchen waste, and it will give the kitchen waste as compost or the nutrients to our plants. Now I'm going to dig the holes. Once I dig the holes, I'll show you. So I'm going to dig the holes. Some 4 to 5 pits in this area. I have got my kitchen waste in these two containers. Once I take my holes of about 1 to 2 inches deep, I'm just going to put the kitchen waste inside it and going to close it. That's it. So once you do that, what will happen is the earthworm in the soil and microbes in the soil will convert your waste into soil or compost, which your plants can use it directly. So let me dig some holes. So I'll show. So it's really hard to hear because the area where I'm going to plant is full of stones. I have taken some shallow pits of about 1 inch deep at 4 to 5 places over here. So what I'm going to do is put my kitchen waste into these pits and going to close it with the soil. I'm going to put some of my kitchen waste into these pits and just close it. That's all. That's it. So be sure that all your waste is covered with the soil. So that is very important. So because if any open waste is there, it may encourage rodents or mites to enter into your garden and mess it up. Now I am going to compost my kitchen waste directly in this pot, and this is the same as that of the compost video I have posted, but what only the difference is I am going to plant my plants directly in this pot once it is composted. So if you see, this is a pot which I planted last year. So my plants in this pot have been dead. So now I'm going to replant this year in about 15 days or a month. So what I'm going to do is I just want to enrich the soil or the potting mix in this pot by composting it directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix my kitchen waste and moist it. Just going to moist the soil in the pot with some water. So anyway, I have drainage holes in this pot. If I'm using more water, the water will be drained. So I'm just moistening the soil in the pot. So because the soil is dry. So let the water settles down. Once the water settles down and the soil is moist, just mix your kitchen waste into it and close it with the soil completely. See, I have added some water for moisture. So now I'm just going to dig a hole into it. So dig a hole. And put all my kitchen waste what I have into it. So because this is a big container, so I'm just going to put all my kitchen waste. So So what I have taken as kitchen waste are all the peels of vegetables, fruits, bananas, so everything, onions. So I'm just going to plug it and just close it. So be sure that you have to close it properly. So just close it. I have closed all the kitchen waste with the potting mix and the soil. So now what I'm going to do is just add some more water because the moisture is not enough. And so if you have seen my compost video, you know how to increase the air circulation by using the shovel. Just push your shovel like this so that the air circulation in the pot will increase, so that composting time will be reduced and it will compost earlier. So once it is compost, you can use this pot directly for planting. So this is a direct method of composting in the pot. So I'm not going to shift anything in this. I'm just going to plant my plants once the composting is done. So now you can, if you see any of your waste outside like this, just cover it with the soil. The main idea of composting our kitchen waste directly is we are just enriching our soil. So it may be in the ground or in the pot. We have to enrich our old used soil so that our plants will effectively take the nutrients. And for fruiting plants and flowering plants, nutrients are very important. If you give more nutrients in a right proper way, it will grow nicely. So in order to grow nicely, we are doing this method. Hope you like this video. Thank you.